far as the gold smuggling case is concerned, because it was sensational as far as the alleged involvement of an actor is concerned, the starlet Rania Rao. The saga and the suspense that still continues. What we are learning from top sources, as far as Tarun Raju is said to be part of the plan to smuggle gold. Tarun Raju was the one who possessed a US passport and he used it for smuggling gold. And these are the sensational details that have now come across. Let's get in a word from Neha, who is joining us live right now. Neha, good morning. Who is this Tarun Raju? Who is said to be a part of the bigger nexus of the small gold smuggling scam?
Well, Amita, morning to you, to our viewers as well. What we're picking up at this point in time is Tarun Raj, who's the second accused in this case. In fact, he had, of course, gone on to file for bail, and now you have the DRI filing their objections as to why he shouldn't be given bail. Now, the DRI, of course, today, in fact, would be placing its objections, even as Tarun's counsel today in court would be placing their arguments as to why he should be granted bail. Remember, what we, of course, know so far is that it was on Saturday that Tarun's counsel reportedly, moved the court, of course, and the DRI also now. What would be interesting here to see is, what arguments really come up in court today, why he's being, why, of course, he's going on to seek bail there. And more importantly, as far as the DRI is concerned, what links have they found that tie up Tarun to this entire case? Now, who is Tarun Raj? What we do know is that he is, in fact, a relative of a very, popular hotel over here, of a five-star hotel. He happens to be the relative of the owner of that hotel, apart from which, as far as, of course, the entire political link to this case is concerned as well, that's something that's snowballing at a very quick pace. We're likely to be seeing fireworks in the Karnataka Assembly as far as, this entire case is also concerned.
All right, but what exactly is the role and the link to the US passport is something that has now come out on the details that emerge from this nexus, Neha?
Well, yes, in fact, what we're picking up is that in an objection there that the DRI, in fact, has filed now to Tarun Raj's bail, we're being told that, reportedly his US passport is something that had helped Rania on multiple occasions, smuggling the gold. Now, apart from that, what really, of course, ties him up to this entire crime again is something that the DRI, of course, currently, is probing. But reportedly, even as we had managed to access Rania's remand copy also, where it said that, she hoodwinked the authorities by saying that the gold from Dubai was to be taken to Geneva, but indeed was taken to India. Reportedly, Tarun Raj's passport as well was used in this case yet again. So we'll really have to wait and see, because at this point in time, it doesn't seem like the DRI, in fact, has finished the investigation as far as he is concerned, and they would likely, go on to object, of course, to his bail that's going to come up in court today.
All right. When it comes to more details that have now emerged as far as the gold smuggling saga is concerned and the suspense that continues, the lens is now on Bengaluru hotelier's grandson. As far as top sources have been suggesting that Tarun Raj, who is also an accused in the case, is said to be a part of the plan to smuggle gold. And he apparently possessed a US passport, and that was used for smuggling gold, as far as more sensational details have now come out. And he's already been remanded to 15 days of judicial custody on the request of the DRI. But Rania Rao was the one, the starlet, who was arrested upon her arrival in Bengaluru from Dubai on the 3rd of March for carrying nearly 14.2 kgs of foreign origin gold bars worth over 12.56 crores. So this is the development that has now come to light as far as the investigation is concerned. Top agencies that are now working on to see if there is a bigger and a much wider syndicate that is said to be